Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to make a personalized frame within just a couple of hours. Watch till the end to see how it looks against home decor elements, and remember to subscribe for similar content like this. I made this using reclaimed plywood. Stay tuned to see how I made it. It's very easy, very quick, using only glue. First I marked out a rectangle that I would be using. You can cut out the rectangle using a standard handsaw. A standard handsaw could cut through this easily as it is a thin piece of plywood. I am using my miter saw just to speed things up. So I began by using this offcut piece from the storage box that I made, which you can check out on my channel. As the plywood piece was taken from an old cupboard in my garage, I had to dust off the spider webs or any dirt on it and just prep it with the sanding machine. For the border of the frame, I am using plywood from a previous project. I found a piece that was already cut to the perfect size, which then I had to replicate 3 more times. I am marking out the length and the height of the pieces to be cut. To replicate this piece, I put my fence against it to create the exact distance from the blade and run the other material through it to create exact sizes. Now that I've cut out the width of the pieces, I can dry fit them, and now I will be showing you the design I'm going for. Then I'm gonna cut out the length of each piece to size. This is a gift for a cousin of mine where I wrote her name on the frame. This is my new crosscut sled that I made, which I'm about to use for the first time. Very excited, and let's see how it does. That was nice. I just need more reasons to use it. That wasn't enough. The borders are now cut. I am just giving it a quick sand just to get any splinters off and just to smoothen it out, ready for the painting. And obviously my little artist wanted to get involved.
Can I paint with you? Can I paint with you?
You want to paint?
Yeah.
Of course you can. So you go like this. Look at Daddy, just... Let's paint together, huh?
Yeah.
And then we finish quickly.
Yeah, I want to paint this one.
Oh, okay.
You are such a good team. But you missed it.
Oh, sorry.
I can help you.
Yeah, go on.
Oops.
It's awkward. What colour is this?
Red.
Okay. Now let's get this one. What colour is this?
White.
Okay, we're gonna mix it, okay?
Okay.
Let's see what happens when we mix it. You ready?
Yeah. Mixing colors.
Yeah, we are. Look what's happening. What colour is that now?
Pink.
How did that happen?
So that's pink.
Let's get white to calm the paint down. Okay, you can mix it round and round. wheels on the bus go what?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
Got it, Daddy?
Let's add a bit more white.
Yeah. Ooh.
Mix, 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 mix.
Let's make it pink. It makes it pink.
Yeah.
Do you know it makes it pink?
I didn't know.
I don't know.
You did? Okay, okay, let's calm down.
Okay, I can mix it.
Okay, should we paint the pieces now?
Yeah. Now I'm going to paint this piece. I'm going to make it pink. Wipe it.
Yeah, go on, paint.
Pink. We need to make it pink, Daddy.
Now leaving it out to dry before attaching everything. So I had a few practice attempts at this, and it turned out my wife thought it would be better that she do it instead. I couldn't guess why. I guess she wanted to be involved in the project, and I thought, yeah, why not? Now to begin the attachment. Yes, I know what you're thinking, there's smudges on the left side, but don't worry, that was left intentionally because that's gonna get covered, as you can see. I must say the pink is looking nice against the white. So here I'm just dry fitting it one last time before I add the wood glue and attaching it permanently. At this point I realized I went a bit mad with the glue. You don't need that much glue, just a bit would be enough. But for some reason I keep thinking more glue the better, but in this case it's more glue means more work in terms of wiping and cleaning. Now I'm just going to flip it over and put something heavy on the top and let it settle. It's looking great. I really like how the pink is looking against the white. Very impressed with it. Now here's a quick showcase on how it will look around the home. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to like and subscribe for similar content like this. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.